Hello everyone, welcome to today's English lesson. In this video, we'll practice a real airport conversation between travelers and attendants. You'll learn the must-know phrases when you travel. Let's begin.
Good morning. May I see your passport and ticket, please?
Good morning. Sure, here they are.
Thank you. Are you checking in any luggage today?
Yes, I have one suitcase.
Please place it on the scale. All right, your bag weighs 18 kilograms. You're within the limit.
Great. Could I also have a window seat if possible?
Let me check. Yes, I found one. Here's your boarding pass. You'll board at gate 12, and boarding begins at 10:30.
Thank you so much.
Let's learn some expressions with their meaning. May I see your passport and ticket, please? Polite way to ask for documents. Checking in luggage. Give your big bag to the airline. Boarding pass. The paper or card that shows your seat and gate number. Gate 12 is the place where you get on the plane. Please place your bag, jacket, and laptop into the tray.
Okay, here you go.
Do you have any liquids or sharp objects in your bag?
No, just some clothes and a book.
All right. Please walk through the scanner.
Is everything fine?
Yes, you're all set. Have a nice flight.
Thanks.
Let's learn some expressions. Liquids means water, juice, shampoo, perfume. Sharp objects also mean knives, scissors, etc. You're good to go is to means everything is fine. You can continue.
Good morning. May I see your passport?
Good morning. Here you are.
What is the purpose of your visit?
I'm traveling for vacation.
How long will you stay?
For 2 weeks.
Do you have a return ticket?
Yes, here it is.
Perfect. Enjoy your stay.
Thank you.
Let's learn some expressions. Purpose of your visit means, why are you coming? Tourism, work, study. Return ticket means a ticket to go back home.
Welcome aboard. May I see your boarding pass?
Sure, here it is.
Thank you. You're in seat 18A, just down this aisle on the left.
Thanks. Could you help me put my bag in the overhead bin?
Of course. Let me take that for you.
Thank you very much.
Let's discuss the expressions. Welcome aboard means welcome onto the plane. Aisle means the walkway between the seats. Overhead bin means the storage above your seat. Excuse me.
Would you like something to drink? We have water, juice, coffee, and tea.
I'll have some orange juice, please.
Here you go.
Thank you. By the way, how long is the flight?
About 7 hours. We'll arrive around 6 p.m. local time.
Perfect. Thanks for the information.
Let's learn some expressions. Would you like is a polite way to offer something. Local time means the time of the country you are flying to. Welcome. Do you have anything to declare?
No, just a few $100s.
Are you carrying more than $10,000 in cash?
No, I don't.
All right, you may proceed. Enjoy your trip.
Thank you.
Declare means to report special items, expensive goods, food, or large money. Proceed means continue or go ahead. Great job! Today we practice useful airport conversations. Check-in, security, immigration, boarding, on the plane, and customs. These phrases will help you travel with confidence in English. Don't forget to practice them again. Subscribe for more. See you in the next lesson.